Let's get it.
So this is me. I'm a minimalist. What do I have for breakfast, lunch, and dinner? I have oats in my shake for breakfast. I have protein in my shake for lunch. I have peanut butter in my shake for dinner. I work out every morning and then I come here and make these 2 shakes. Once I make these 2 shakes, I drink one of the shakes. I wait until about 6, 7 o'clock and then I drink the second shake. That's my breakfast, that's my lunch, and then my dinner somewhere in there. I don't worry about what other people are doing. I focus on my workout, I focus on my shakes, and I focus on my work. Everyone else who says they're minimalist, they have 3 full meals a day. They sit there cooking, they order out, they spend time, they spend money. It doesn't make any sense. If you're really minimalist, don't worry too much about your food. Make some shakes, drink your food. So this is my minimalist apartment. Let's check it out. See? I don't have a couch. I consider this to be my couch. If I ever need to rest, I rest right here on these stairs, right? See, I'm a minimalist. I don't like to deal with doors. I don't like to deal with anything that gets in my way. So I had these doors taken off, and now I can walk directly into the room. So as you can see, I have really high ceilings. So you can hear my voice echo. See, one of the biggest attributes to being a minimalist is being able to hear yourself speak. I don't like shower curtains, I don't like towels. I take a shower right here, and then I step out onto the balcony. I like to air dry here on this balcony. Here in this room, I have no furniture as well. When I fall asleep, I lean up against this wall, and I sleep just like this. All this space. Nothing. I'm a minimalist. There is nothing. You want to be a fucking minimalist? You can learn from me. Look. So I actually had a full-size balcony, but I'm a minimalist. So I had them cut the balcony back. This is all I need. Yo, oh my God, John, I'm not coming into work today. I told you I work from home. I'm an entrepreneur. I don't need a couch. Who needs a couch? Are you serious? I just got the job. Wait, hold up, wait 1 second. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay. Oh my God. Just cut the camera. Just want to be productive. Minimalism gets lonely sometimes. Hello? So that wasn't actually my apartment, that's just an apartment I'm renting, which, by the way, if you're in Brooklyn or looking to move to Brooklyn, just go to josephrench.com if you're looking for cheap rooms or apartments. But the point of that was, in my opinion, I honestly think this minimalist stuff is really stupid and just a lot of people are overly excessive with it and it's just getting really out of hand. There's this huge competition going on with YouTube with people trying to be the most minimalist, people having the least amount of stuff, which I completely don't understand because realistically, who cares? The point of minimalism is to have the least amount of stuff for you, for yourself, for your productivity. It's not to have the least amount of stuff in comparison to other people. The point is to be as productive as possible and to do that the most efficient way possible. Sure, you should strive for greatness in everything that you do, but do you really think that getting rid of a couch, most of your household utilities, a majority of your clothes is really going to help you? Do you really think that that's what's going to catapult you to the next level? It's actually not, but I'll tell you what will. Getting rid of the toxic people in your life, the people that are trying to bring you down, people that only invite you to parties, the people that only contact you to ask you for something. Getting rid of the stuff in your mind, getting rid of the stuff that's holding you back, like negativity in your mind, all the doubts that you have, the ideas that people have put in your mind that you can't do certain things. That's what you should get rid of. Don't try to have the least stuff possible. Try to have the most stuff you can that's going to have you productive. Get as many books as you can. Get as many whiteboards as you can. Get as many notebooks as you can to take notes. Get as many friends as you can that are going to believe in you and push you to the next level. More people that you trust that are going to be there for you when things aren't going too well. But on that note, I hope you liked the video. Definitely drop a like if you enjoyed it. Definitely subscribe because I'll be dropping 2 videos a week. Make sure you come back for your dose of Joseph. So this is me. I'm a minimalist. So this is me. I'm a minimalist. What the fuck?